Good morning. It is what time is it? Almost 6 o'clock in the morning. We left at 4:45 from our hotel in Pensacola to go to Disney. Yes, I said go to Disney. I'm so excited, but I'm also so tired. We got like 6 hours of sleep and I'm feeling it. But that means we'll be at Disney by lunchtime, by 1 o'clock. So, I will see you guys there. Beach, soak up the sun, maybe eat some ice cream. Sorry if it's shaky. I am using my phone, not just my regular phone. Anyways, we're on our way to the bus to go to Blizzard Beach, so see you there. On our way to dinner, we have a reservation for the Boathouse. We've never been here before. Hoping it's good. We're not seafood people, so maybe we'll be adventurous. Maybe we won't. But we're going to get the bus now. I'm so tired. And we're all burnt and tired. What? I can't zoom it out.
Good.
That was so good. Butter. I think there's shallots in it. And then there's like roasted garlic. Holy cow. So good. Well, it's after dinner and it's time to say goodnight. I'm so tired and full. It was such a good dinner though. Everything was incredible. The steak, I think, might be the best steak I have ever had. Better than one of Matt's. Better than any I've had at any restaurant, including Ruth's Chris. I highly recommend that place. As you can see, I'm so sweaty. It's so hot out and humid, and I just need a little AC. So I'm gonna end things here. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next vlog where we go to Animal Kingdom tomorrow and just get up to no good. We're just gonna explore a bunch. So see you then. Bye.